What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? This FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. This your first time here, man. I hope you enjoy yourself. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the FLYEERRKicks cave, man. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button, join the freaking Flyers Club, drop a like, and last but not least, definitely drop a comment if you like the content. And I got my IG name right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow on there, and let's interact. Now getting straight to it, man. As you can see from the title, man, I got a quick unboxing for y'all. This pair came from Adidas, man. Straight from you guys' favorite man himself, Kanye West. Now, if you've been paying attention to the releases, you probably already know what this is. This is the Yeezy 700. Just getting straight to it. The tag reads Yeezy 700 V3 ALVAH, and this is a size 6. By the time I got on Yeezy Supply, man, this is the only thing that I could grab, but it's better than nothing, man. Better than leaving empty-handed, being on that site all morning. We got the Yeezy Boost. Actually, this is no boost. This is the Yeezy V3 700, man. And you notice that this V3 actually doesn't have any boosting. That's why, as you see, like on the box and on the tag, this shoe is not a Yeezy Boost shoe. There's no boost in the shoe, but it is a Yeezy shoe. It is a 700, and this is the third model. This is the second colorway that they have released in this model. The first one was like a tannish colorway, and this one is all black. I definitely want to grab these in my size, man. Y'all know I love black shoes, so this was a perfect like Yeezy dash shoe to start off for me, man. I don't own any 500s, any 700s. I don't really like those, but something about this solid black like really did it for me. All of these panels on the side, this kind of hard like plastic looking part, that all glows into like a bright green glow, man. So this is really a dope pair for me, man. I like these. I'm definitely gonna try to find my 11.5, 12, and just see if I really like them, man. Just gotta see how they run. I'm gonna ask a couple of my partners and see just how they run and what size they suggest I should get. But yeah, man, here we have the ALVAHs, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Did you cop these? Did you get them from Adidas? Did you get them from Yeezy Supply? Or did you get it from a different spot, man? Let me know if you got them. Let me know if you really wanted them, or let me know if this is a pass for you, man. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of this model, and I'm not really a fan of it either, but it really looks good in black, man. But enough with all the small talk, man. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these joints so you guys can see these features, see these materials, and look at this colorway, man. And you can set your eyes and see if you really want to pay resale for these, or if you're just going to let them float on by, man. I personally wouldn't pay resale for these joints, but who knows, man. If this your flavor, then you might want to do that. But let's get up close and personal, man. Yeezy 700 V3 ALVAH. Now getting up close and personal with these, man, right off the rip you see that big 700 on top of the box. On one side it says Yeezy 700 made by Adidas. Other side says Yeezy 700. Tag read size 6. ALVAH, Yeezy 700 V3, man. Like I said, they didn't have my size left once I got through on the site, so I just grabbed the first thing available, man. Here we have the ALVAH 700 V3s. Now, if you notice, like I said earlier, man, on the box it doesn't say boost. That's because this V3 doesn't have any boost in it. That's why you see the drop in price. The regular 700 and the 700 V2, those were priced at 300. But the V3 has no boost and they priced it at 200. So maybe it was a strategic marketing move, or maybe they just didn't want to include boost in this model, man. But here we are with the V3, man. Like I said, the side panels, like the lines, the plastic looking part, that all glows into like a bright green glow. Solid black shoe, man. I've heard some pretty good reviews. People are saying they're comfortable. I haven't owned a pair of my size, so I can't really give you my first-hand opinion. But this black pair looks good. The tan pair that first came out isn't bad either, but I like this black pair, man. So y'all get a look at these, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. Is it a cop for you? Is it a drop for you? Are you a fan of the V3? Or would you rather go back to the V2 and the V1s with boost on them? Let me know, man. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video, y'all. We got the Yeezy 700 V3, the ALVAHs, all black joints with the glow on the sides, man. Let me know you guys' honest opinion, man. Are you gonna go ahead and pay resale for these? Or you're just gonna let them slide by, man? That just about wraps it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, Yeezy V3 ALVAH. Peace.